told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama.
So the cordenza came in for the salon. Respectfully, a lot of y'all are like, bitch, what salon? What are you talking about? So unfortunately, somehow, some way, the footage that I recorded of me turning one of my spare rooms into a salon where I offer maintenance service of retightenings to sister lock and micro locks, braid locks, traditional locks, but specifically interlock services, I don't know where it's at. And I am pissed about it because I am low-key a hoarder physically, but definitely digitally. I still got probably footage from 10 years ago that I hold on to. If anybody want to find some digital footprints, come to me because baby, I got it. So the simple fact that I can't find this footage, and I know damn well I recorded it, it wasn't the best of footage, but it was context. Your good sis did end up opening up services. I did get certified for certification for retightenings. This room was one of my spare rooms that I'm now turning into a salon, and I've already moved a majority of the things out of the room, and I've added the chair, and in the video you will see in the next clip I've put some stuff together, but now I am currently putting the cordenza together for a little oomph to the room. So here we are, follow me on this new journey, and link to book what you get sis will be in the description, so enjoy. The other day this came, but I just put it together and I didn't tell you guys, or I didn't show you guys, but this is much smaller than I expected, but it gets the job done. The 7th is gonna be Monday, right? I think it's bad luck to do it forward, right? It is, so we'll do it for the current. So I did put this in here, just a little something. These cords are really annoying. I don't know if I'm gonna care enough to make them go away or not. The cordenza, of course, is gonna go over here right now. Let's move that box. So that box is really heavy. I'm not about to bring that box in here. I'm about to take the stuff out and then just bring the pieces in here and leave the box in there. So they have an instructional video on YouTube. I would really prefer to put this together tonight and get it over and done with. It says people need it, 1 or 2, basically that's fine. The 2 I feel like is needed for the heavy lifting, but once you take everything out, you can distribute. Identify, sort, and count the pieces before attempting to assemble. Make sure to identify everything, and then we'll start putting it together. Whew, there's actually a lot of shit in here. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I am gonna count to make sure I have everything. So far, this is actually going pretty good. I had a couple of hiccups. Now we're already starting to put the legs on. These are 2 M's, right? Or 2 N's? In. Yes. 2 N's. Then we're gonna put, just gotta look at the diagram. And that's what I'm not doing. That's where I get messed up. I think these are needed for hardwood floors, but since it's going on carpet, probably won't need it, but I'm still gonna put one. I will never do anything to hurt you. I give all my love to you. Now it's time to do metal and metal, baby. We're moving along. It's coming together. I'm gonna go put those metal pieces on this. Got the legs on. Now I'm about to move on to that part over there. I'm very proud of this. I'm ready. Oh no. What happened? Right. Cute. Gotta know what's up. And I got this from I got this from Dollar General. This was $5. I don't know if I want that right there. We'll see. Then I gotta figure out something to put right there. Yeah, but I like that. That works for me. Right. Welcome to Lovely Locks Studio. Here's that cordenza put together. Here's the final. My little phone thingy. Got my little coaster. Got the little candle there. Here's my little cart with all of my supplies. My little fake plant. Here's the view for the client. Here is, we got our snacks. Got our water. Got little knickknacks here. Wires are still here, but it's okay. TV works. It's booming. Internet is booming. New Fire Stick, baby. You can watch all your shows up in here. Here's my little light. I want to put something right there. I'm very proud of myself. Yes. I'm so proud.
Yeah.